सर मैंने तो ये सारी कर रखी है।
क्या करूं?
सर मैंने आपसे मांगी थी तो आपने भेजी थी, मैंने सारी कर रखी है।
कॉपी मत लेना।
नहीं सर, कॉपी मैंने फेंक दी, है ही नहीं मेरे पास।
कुछ नहीं करना है, चुपचाप आउटलाइन देखते जाओ, डेवलप करते जाओ। कर रखी होगी तूने ये स्कूल वाला फॉर्मूला, यहाँ फिट मत करे तेरे।
नहीं सर, आपने भेजी थी ना, उसमें से करी है मैंने।
भाई कर ली तूने, अब क्या करूं? दोबारा करवा रहा हूँ, बोल। वो जब तूने कॉपी में करी थी, अब मैं वर्बली करवा रहा हूँ। कोई दिक्कत है तेरे को? चुपचाप कर जो कह रहा हूँ, बात खत्म। कर ली तूने तो और भी अच्छी बात है, अच्छे से कर लेगा। ठीक है, क्लियर हो गया सबको क्या मैंने आज आपको टास्क दिया है? क्लियर है ना? घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है, पास्ट टेंस चलेगा पूरा का पूरा। फोकस करो और सुनो एक दूसरे को, अपनी मत डेवलप करो। अपनी तुमने डेवलप करने के चक्कर में रह जाओगे कि मैं इसको तैयार कर लूं, मैं इसको बोलूंगा, वो कोई और बोल गया तो खेल खत्म है वहां पे। वो तो मैंने सिस्टम ही नहीं रखा कि अपनी डेवलप करके पहले खोपड़ी में स्टोर कर लो, तुम वो काम ही नहीं रखा हमने। तुम जितना सोचते हो ना बेटा, हो तो यहाँ पे तुम्हारी सोच खत्म हो जाती है ना, फिर वहां से हम चालू करते हैं सोचना। बच्चे हो ना, बच्चे ही रहोगे। लोग कहते हैं कि गुरु तो गुड़ रह गए और चेले शक्कर हो गए। हम चेलों को भी, गुरु चाहे गुड़ रह जाएंगे ना, तो चेले भी शक्कर ऐसे नहीं हो जाए, गुरु भी गुरु ही रहेंगे। गुड़ का असर शक्कर से ज्यादा होता है, इसलिए
सर आप
होशियारी
नहीं
नहीं।
खाता सर ये तो।
होशियारी बिल्कुल नहीं। होशियारी करने का मतलब ही नहीं छोड़ा हमने। कर लो डेवलप, कितनी करते हो आप, दिमाग में सोच कर रख लो कितनी रखते हो तुम। ज्यादा बढ़िया ये है कि आप सुनो केवल, जो बोली जा रही है स्टोरी, देख लो कौन सी आउटलाइन है, उस आउटलाइन को निकाल लो और सुनो आप कैसे डेवलप कर रहा है ये इसको। ये आपके लिए फायदेमंद रहेगा। ओके।
सर
हाँ।
जरूरी है कि आउटलाइन से ही बोले?
यस सर।
सर मतलब आउटलाइन खत्म हो फिर भी मैं आगे डेवलप करना चाहे तो कर सकते हैं?
ज्यादा डेवलप नहीं करनी है, ज्यादा ज्यादा नहीं लगाना है आपको। अपनी तरफ से भी ले
हम्म।
लो, लेकिन आउटलाइन ही डेवलप करनी है आपको। आपने रटी हुई बैठ रखे हुए है, वो नहीं सुनानी है। क्लियर? So okay, now I think the today's theme is clear to you all, and also Priyanka and Yogesh and Kalpana also can do this. Okay, फिर भी कोई
सर
प्रॉब्लम हो तो बता देना, मैं कुछ और कर लूंगा आपके लिए। बोलो।
सर ये जो आउटलाइन है ये कौन से टेंस में है सर?
ये प्रेजेंट टेंस में होंगे या किसी भी टेंस में होंगी, आपको तो पास्ट टेंस में डेवलप करना है।
ओके
अपने सोच, जो आपके माइंड में थॉट बन रहा है उसके हिसाब से डेवलप करना है। ठीक है? So now I am starting this session. First of all, I am calling Harsh. Come on.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshad, and today I'm telling you the story An Honest Woodcutter. So, once in a village, there lived a poor woodcutter whose name was Ramu. And every day he went near a river for cutting the woods. And one day, when he was cutting the woods, his axe slipped from his hand and fell into the river. He was crying. He was crying for his axe in front of the river. Then a then a goddess who was in the river came out of the river and said him that and brought and said him that why are you crying? Then he said my only axe fell into the river. Now how would I earn my livelihood? And then the goddess brought a golden axe from the river, and he denied that it is not mine. And then in the same order, she secondly brought the silver one, and she uh, and he refused it too. And at the third time, at the third time, the goddess brought the real axe, which was of the wood and iron. And by seeing the honest woodcutter, the goddess gave the woodcutter all three eggs, which were gold, silver, and his own. And the woodcutter became happy, and he left the forest. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छे सुनाया आपने। रोहित।
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Charan. Today, I'm going to tell you about a story of a clever cap seller. So once there was a cap seller who used to sell the caps, and he went from village to village to sell his item. Once he reached a village, and once he reached the village and tried to, and he put down his basket under a tree to get rest for some time. And in that period, he went to sleep for some time, and then a group of monkeys came there on the tree and saw the caps, caps with the cap seller. So they came down and took all the caps away. So when the cap seller woke up, he found his caps missing and was very sad. So he looks up. He looked here and there, and when he looked at the tree, he found that monkeys had worn all his caps. And when he was doing some steps, so that the monkeys could leave the cap, and the cap seller would collect all the caps. The monkeys doing the same as the cap seller was
डूइंग क्यों
doing.
आएगा? डिड आएगा ना, डूइंग क्यों आएगा?
So मैं continuous tense बोल रहा हूँ,
बोलो।
past continuous tense. Yes, sir. So the monkeys were doing the same that was done by the cap seller. Hence,
पास्ट
when
नहीं आएगा, पास्ट सिंपल पास्ट टेंस ही आएगा, पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस आप गलत यूज कर रहे हो।
okay, sir.
हाँ,
So when the cap seller thrown his cap
कौन क्यों आएगा? थ्रू आएगा।
threw his own cap on the ground, the all the monkeys also did the same. And by this way, the cap seller collected all his caps and went away. Went away. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, ठीक है, थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखो, ठीक है ना? हाँ, यस गौरव।
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. I'm Gaurav Verma today I'm going to tell you about a story of union is strength. So, once there was an old farmer who had 4 sons. They always quarreled, and tension was always in their house. One day, the old farmer called them and asked and gave them a bundle of sticks and asked to break it. Everyone tried one by one. N- None of them none of them broke it. Then
Could break it।
could break it. Then they then the old farmer asked them to untie the bundle, and then he tells them to
टोल्ड, आस्क्ड आएगा, टेल
told
क्यों आएगा?
sorry sir,
आस्क्ड देम।
told
हाँ, फोकस करो।
told them
अरे
to
आस्क्ड देम,
break
टोल्ड नहीं आएगा।
asked them to break the stick now. Then they broke. Then the sticks broke easily.
Then they broke the sticks easily।
Then broke the sticks easily. सर मैं ये बोल रहा था कि स्टिक easily टूट गई.
हाँ, तो फिर उनको आप ऐसे थोड़ी बन जाएगा, फिर पैसिव वॉइस बनाना पड़ेगा।
Stick was
the sticks were broken easily।
yes sir. So then he explained them that when the sticks were united, were you were unable to break them. But when you untied them or separated them, they the sticks were you broke them easily. So that's why you should be united. That's it. Thank you, sir.
रक्षित।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am telling the story of a donkey and the load of salt. So once there lived a salt merchant, and he had a donkey to carry the salt, to carry the bags of salt on to the market. So the donkey used to carry the salt, and the merchant and the donkey used to pass through a stream when they used to go to the market. So one day when the donkey and the merchant was passing the stream by,
आएगा ना वर पासिंग.
yes sir, were passing the stream, suddenly the donkey fell into the stream, and the salt was washed down in the water, and the bags,
salt washed away.
yes sir, washed away in the water, and the bags became lightweighted.
Lighter.
So
Okay.
okay, so yes sir, lighter. So the donkey found that the bags had become light. So then daily the monkey did this thing again and again. So after some days, the merchant understood the trick of the donkey, and then he decided to, sir, सबक सिखाना क्या बोलेंगे?
To teach a lesson.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The merchant decided to teach a lesson to the donkey. So instead of salt, one day the merchant loaded cotton in the bags. And the donkey was when the donkey was carrying the load of cotton, he at its own will, it fell in the stream. But instead of finding the bags lighter, the donkey found that the bags had become heavier. So by this the donkey learned a lesson that it should not do cheating. So, and the moral of the story is, everyone should do his or her work with full honesty. Sir, that's it.
शाबाश. Very good. वर्क फॉर्म में सबसे ज्यादा गलतियां करते हो आप सारे लोग फोकस करके रखो थोड़ा सा. अनुज, कैमरा चालू करो और आ जाओ.
सर
हाँ.
सर रक्षित के बाद तो मेरा है ना.
ओके रक्षित. Come on. आ जाओ बेटा.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit Moore, and today's my topic is a wise farmer or hidden treasure or work is worship. Once there lived an old farmer who used to do farming on his field, and he had 4 sons who were very lazy and wanted not to work. But once the farmer fell ill, and then he had nothing to do as he could do nothing. So he decided a plan to make his sons work. So he decided to tell them that there was a hidden treasure in his field. So when his sons listened these, then they directly went to that field, and then the sons dig all the soil, and there they found no treasure. They got sad. But then a neighbor advised them that they could sow crops on them, and then the sons understood that if they would sow crops, then he would get much earning. So when they sow the crops, then they got money and became rich. That's it, sir.
Very good. Anuj.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Anuj, and today my story is 2 friends and a bear. So, once upon a time, there were 2 friends, and they were once they were going to through a forest, and they promised each other to help each other. And suddenly, in the forest, they saw a bear. And both were scared of bear, and in them, one climbed up a tree and the other one didn't know how to climb. So the other one lied down on the ground and stopped breathing for a while. And then bear smelled the lied one who was on the ground, and he understood and he thought, or he took him for dead. And then he went away from the one who was on the ground. And the another one came down from the tree and asked, what did bear say? And he said, and he answered that he didn't rely on sir kya
Rely होता है, rely.
and said that he didn't rely on false friends. And then one felt ashamed on another. So that's it, sir.
Lakshmi.
Yes, my name is Lakshmi Gujar. Today our topic is a story, and I am telling about a story which name was a farmer and a snake. A farmer was returning home in cold evening, and he saw a snake, and the snake was unconsciousness,
Unconscious.
and
Only unconscious.
yes sir, unconscious, and farmer took pretty and put it in his basket and took it at home, and he put near the fire.
Put it.
Yes sir, he put it near the fireplace, and after some time the snake recovered.
The snake.
The snake recovered and attacked on the farmer, and farmer was very angry.
use करना सीखो.
Yes sir, the farmer was very angry and killed it. That's it sir.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Komal.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Komal Barwa, and I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from Batch 11. And today our topic is a story, and whose story name is a fox and a crane.
Who's क्यों
And
लगाया आपने? The story name या whose name बोलो. Whose story कैसे आएगा?
okay, sir. And a fox and a crane became a fox and a crane were friends, and they played with each other, and they enjoyed their day with each other. And one day a fox invited crane to dinner.
अब दोबारा जब आ रहा है तो ये कैसे लग जाएगा?
Yes, sir. The fox invited to dinner crane, and
फिर crane से पहले दानी लगेगा. Invited the crane to dinner.
okay, sir. Invited to the crane.
फिर वही बात.
Invited the crane to dinner, and the crane reached that place, and the fox served milk in a flat plate, and that time the fox enjoyed their meal by his
देर क्यों आएगा? हाँ.
okay, sir, her meal by his tongue, but
With his tongue, by नहीं. हाँ.
okay, sir, but the crane could not eat food because of his long beak, and that time he felt very sad, and he he was very hungry, and he went to his house hung, empty stomach, and after some time the crane invited the fox also, and the crane served food in a सर किसमें फूड सर्व किया था?
जार कह सकते हो, लॉन्ग पिक्चर कह सकते हो, जग कह सकते हो आप.
Okay, sir. The crane served food in a long jar, and that time the crane enjoyed food with his long beak, but the fox could not enjoy meal because of his mouth and tongue. So that time the fox felt very sad, and he was also very hungry. So the fox all remembered his work. So that's it, sir.
फोकस रखा करो थोड़ा सा. खुशी.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone, and good evening to all of you. My name is Khushi Gujar. I'm telling about a story whose name is An Elephant and a Tailor. There was a time, an elephant and a tailor. The elephant was friendly with a tailor.
With the tailor आएगा ना.
With the tailor. Yes, sir. With the tailor. The elephant came there many times, and the tailor gave some fruits to him, and the elephant gave flowers and other helped.
अदर हेल्प क्या मतलब क्या हो गया? बात खत्म करो ना, ये में ज्यादा लंबा क्यों करते हो?
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
But one day the tailor was away for his any work. So his son was on the shop. After some time, the elephant came there, but the son didn't give fruits and picked needle in trunk of the elephant.
In the trunk of elephant. ठीक है, शाबाश शाबाश, कोशिश करो वैसे. Very good करो. हाँ.
And the elephant was angry and annoyed for it, and it went to the river and filled dirty water in its trunk.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
And it came there on the shop.
देर क्यों लगा दिया फिर? On नहीं, to the shop. It came back to the
To
shop.
the shop. Yes, sir.
बोलो
The shop.
बिल्कुल फोकस
And
रखो. हाँ, कॉन्फिडेंस रखो. हाँ.
it threw dirty water on clothes and destroy clothes, and that's it.
शाबाश, ऐसे कोशिश क्या करो. वेरी गुड. सिमरन.
Yes.
आजा बेटा.
Good evening. I am Simran, and today I am telling a story.
बेटा आवाज साफ नहीं आ रही. ठीक करो इसको.
Sir, अभी भी?
हाँ भाई. बोल.
The story name.
फिर गई. थोड़ा पास आना पड़ेगा तेरे को फोन में.
Okay, sir. The story name A Greedy Man and a Hen. Once upon a time there was a man, and he lived in a village. He was very great, and had hen, and the hen gave one golden egg to his malik and
मास्टर ऑनर
his owner and
देनी भी तो लगेगा ना
and the
बोलो 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 शाबाश शाबाश
and but the man was very greedy, so
greedy नहीं
greedy.
हाँ बोल
He didn't satisfy to
wasn't
it.
satisfied
He wasn't satisfied and he wanted more and he wanted all eggs. And one day he planned the hen died, but he didn't find nothing.
नथिंग नहीं अब रिटर्न टू उधर लगा दिया ना या तो ही फाउंड नथिंग करो
He didn't find any egg.
हाँ हाँ
And he was very sad.
शाबाश वेरी गुड बहुत बढ़िया बेटा वेरी गुड शाबाश ऐसी कोशिश करो समझ गए ना अंजलि
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Anjali Neena, and my today's topic is the story of a hare and a tortoise. A hare makes fun of a tortoise. A hare makes
क्यों आएगा मेड आएगा ना पास्ट टेंस में चलेगी स्टोरी मैडम
a hare made fun of a tortoise for his slow speed.
डेवलप कर रही है ना कैसे देखता के तो नहीं बोल रही
Sir,
पूछ रहा हूँ उसका जवाब दे दे हाँ ठीक है बोल
उसमें से देख के बोल रही हूँ. They decided to run a race.
शाबाश
The hare ran.
सेकंड फॉर्म आएगी ना बेटा पास्ट टेंस में जाएंगे ना अपन
Ran fast. He
took second form
took a nap. Sleep. But the tortoise
went
ahead. The hare woke up and ran fast, but he lost the race.
past tense यूज होगा सब में
Lost the race.
हाँ ध्यान करो थोड़ा सा प्रेजेंट में लिखते गलत हो जाएगी स्टोरी चलो बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की है फोकस करो बेटा थोड़ा सा हाँ जो कमी है उसको ठीक करो आप पिछड़ने में टाइम नहीं लगता है बेटा पिछड़ गए ना एक बार तो मुश्किल हो जाएगा यस योगेश कैमरा चालू करो अपना
Okay, sir.
हाँ बेटा ध्यान रखो
बोलो सर
हाँ बोल बेटा
Hello everyone, my name is Yogesh Sharma and I am telling about a story whose name is A Thirsty Crow.
हाँ शाबाश बोल
Once there was a crow, it was very thirsty and it flew here and there in search of water.
फोकस करके बोल
It saw a jug.
हाँ
There was a little water in the jug.
वेरी लिटिल कर दो हाँ आगे बोलो
Very little water in the jug.
शाबाश शाबाश ऐसे सीक्वेंस में बोलते जाओ एक एक चीज
It thought a plan.
शाबाश वेरी गुड बात ऐसे बोले जा धीरे धीरे
and it collected some pebbles,
very good,
some
बहुत बढ़िया.
pebbles and dropped them
कहाँ?
into the jug.
हाँ, ऐसे पूरा करो, आगे बोलो, शाबाश.
The water came up
शाबाश.
and it was sorry, it drank the water
अब इट नहीं
and
आएगा यहाँ
it
पे, मैंने समझाया था ना पहले. अब यहाँ पे द क्रो आएगा. अब यहाँ पर इट लगाओगे तो वो पानी के लिए मान लिया जाएगा. हाँ,
the crow drank the water and it flew away.
शाबाश. आगे ना बेटा, डेवलप करना आप तेरे को स्टोरी. और बीमारी रटने की, अब रटना मत कभी भी, कोई कितना भी कहे, नहीं रटना बिल्कुल भी, ध्यान रखना बेटा. समझ गए ना? हाँ, वेरी गुड, शाबाश. नाम लिखो जी, जिसने नाम लिखा है बीबी पे नाम लिखो अपना. प्रियंका.
Yes, sir.
अनवी.
Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. My name is Priyanka Jain. Today, I am a student of Rambagh classes. Today's topic is an honest fisherman.
फिशरमैन. हाँ, बोलो.
Fisherman.
ये तो बोल
Once
दिया वैसे,
there,
पर बोलो आप, कोई बात नहीं, आपके लिए छूट है, बोलो.
once there was a fisherman. He was very honest.
शाबाश, शाबाश. छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस बना बना के बोलो. वेरी गुड. हाँ.
He caught a big fish. His net.
इन हिज नेट. हाँ. अच्छा, फिशरमैन बोल रहे हो आप, ठीक है, बोलो 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 बोलो. मैंने ऑनेस्ट वुड कटर समझ लिया. बोलो बोलो. वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा मैडम, फोकस करके बोलते रहो, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो.
He brought what? He brought the fish. Fish.
To the king.
No, he brought the fish to home.
ठीक है, बोलो. शाबाश शाबाश. हाँ, बोले जाओ.
He cut the fish with knife.
शाबाश शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. ऐसे बोले जाओ, फोकस करो बस. हाँ.
He found a gold ring. He saw that the name of king.
He saw that there was the name of the king on the ring.
On the ring.
कोई बात नहीं, बोलो, आगे बोलो.
He went to king.
शाबाश शाबाश.
His story told him the king. The king was very happy. He gave a word
to the fisherman.
Fisherman.
Very good. और है?
No, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया. ऐसे फोकस किया करो आप मैडम. बहुत अच्छा बोला आज आपने. वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा. वेरी गुड. कीप इट अप. यस, कल्पना.
Yes, sir.
कैमरा चालू कर. बोल. बोल.
Today my topic is thirsty crow.
thirsty crow. चल सुना दे, कोई बात नहीं है. बोल, तू बोल. हाँ.
Once upon a time there was a thirsty crow. It searched water.
Inform. हाँ.
Of water here and there.
हाँ, ऑफ की जरूरत नहीं है, आगे बोल.
It saw a jug with little water.
It threw a plane.
थ्रो नहीं, थॉट.
It thought a plane. It looked around and saw some stones.
ये लुक्ड अराउंड तो है ही नहीं कहीं आउटलाइन में. तो देख, कॉपी में से देख के तो नहीं बोल रही तू?
No, sir.
फिर बोल, आगे बोल. आउटलाइन डेवलप कर, आउटलाइन. हाँ, बोल बोल बोल.
It dropped them into the jug. One by one, water rose up.
द वाटर. हाँ बोलो.
It drank the water and flew away happily.
Okay, very good. शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. Yes, विपिन.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. Today my topic is a story whose story name is A Lion and a Mouse. Once there was a lion. A lion was
अब
sleeping
द आएगा,
under a
अब
tree.
द आएगा. अब दोबारा लॉयन आएगा तो द आएगा, ध्यान रखना.
Okay, sir. The lion was sleeping under a tree.
हाँ.
And a mouse comes and
अब
starts
आएगा,
jumping.
केम आएगा. A mouse came there. हाँ. सेकंड
And
फॉर्म आएगा, सिंपल
a
पास्ट टेंस. हाँ.
and a mouse come there
Came
and
there. Came होती है सेकंड फॉर्म.
came there and
Started. पास्ट टेंस यूज करो.
started jumping on lion's body.
हाँ.
The lion was woke up.
आवाज नहीं आएगा, woke up आएगा खाली. बोलो.
The lion woke up and
कैच नहीं,
caught
हाँ.
and the lion caught the mouse
हाँ.
and got angry.
हाँ. शाबाश शाबाश.
The mouse prayed for mercy.
हैं? For mercy.
The
mercy
mercy.
है वो. हाँ.
mercy. The lion left the mouse.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ. Very good.
The hunter.
One day a hunter. पहली बार आ रहा है ना hunter, तो ये लगाओ.
One day a hunter caught in a net.
Caught him. ये caught the lion ऐसे लगाओ. Caught the lion, क्लियर हो जाएगा. In a net.
Caught the lion. The lion rolled
past tense आएगा.
roared and the mouse came.
अब came के पहले तो mouse सुनेगा ना. The mouse heard
The mouse heard
the roar. पूरा the mouse heard the roar. फिर आएगा वो. हाँ.
The mouse heard the roar and the mouse came and the mouse cut the net and the mouse freed the lion.
Freed नहीं, freed. हाँ.
Freed the lion and they were happy.
बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश. ऐसे कोशिश करते रहो बस. आने वाले टाइम में इसी तरीके की चीजें मिलेंगी आप लोगों को. सब लोग अपनी अपनी स्टोरी नोट कर लेना अपनी अपनी कॉपी में. आज किस किस ने कौन कौन सी स्टोरी सुनाई है सुन लेना. अच्छे तरीके से नोट कर लो अपनी अपनी कॉपी में, डेट डाल के कि आज किस किस ने कौन कौन सी स्टोरी सुनाई है. नोट कर लो. अनवी आजा बेटा.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My today's topic is a story whose name is A Hungry Fox and a Crow.
A fox is very hungry.
नहीं was past tense का ध्यान रखो।
Was very hungry and searched a crow.
है?
Searched a crow.
मतलब फॉक्स
उसने-
भूखी थी और सर्च किया, उसने क्या कौवे को तलाश किया?
Sir, search in food.
हाँ, सर्च्ड फूड।
Searched food.
हाँ, फोकस करो, सीक्वेंस लाओ।
A crow was sitting सर लेके क्या बोलते हैं? लेके को
लेके को बोलते हैं विद।
with a piece of bread.
कहाँ बैठा हुआ था?
A piece of bread, sitting on a piece of bread.
हाँ, sitting on a tree with a piece of bread.
Sitting on a tree with a piece of bread.
फोकस करो, हाँ आगे बोलो।
In its
अब
beak.
छोड़ो उसको, छोड़ दो उसको। इन इट्स बीक पहले ही आता वो, छोड़ दो अब उसको, ज्यादा टिपिकल मत करो, आगे बोलो।
The crow thought of a plan.
किसने सोचा प्लान?
A fox thought of a plan.
दा आएगा, जब दोबारा आएगा बॉक्स और क्रो तो दा आएगा, ध्यान रखो ये दा आर्टिकल। आगे बोलो।
Okay, sir. To have sweet. Yes, sir. To have sweet voice.
हाँ। The fox thought a plan.
The fox thought a plan that the fox have sweet voice.
नहीं। The fox said to the crow that you have a sweet voice.
Okay, sir.
फोकस करो थोड़ा सा, घबराओ मत आप। हाँ।
Okay, sir. The fox said to the crow that you have sweet voice, so you can sing a song.
Please sing a song for me.
So please sing a song for me. So the crow opened the beak. The beak. And the bread
fell. Second form.
Fell down. And quickly the fox picked up and eat it
picked up it and ate it.
Eat it.
Eat नहीं add, second form आएगी.
Okay, sir. And ate it.
हाँ, very good. शाबाश.
And ran away. So that's it.
Ran away. Second form. Past tense का ध्यान रखो.
Ran.
हाँ, चलिए ठीक है। और कोई रह तो नहीं गया? चलिए, thank you very much.